There are many communities dotted throughout rural Ireland and in County Clare in particular that need additional commuter bus services. I think of areas in West Clare like Kilrush, Kilkee and right up along the western seaboard, Milltown Malbay, right up into Doolin. And the capacity for people who travel from there towards Ennis, Shannon and Limerick for school, college and work, and the necessity to enhance those services. Again, there are areas in East Clare, from Scariff, Tulla, Fecal and down into Killaloe, and many of the people there that travel for work to Ennis, Shannon and Limerick, and indeed to colleges in Limerick. There needs to be an adequate, well-funded public transport service, a service that will meet the needs of a developing and changing economy and a location where the settlement patterns are changing. So it is incumbent, Minister, that as your department and the wider transport service delivery in this country is changing, that adequate and appropriate investment is put into the services that will focus on rural Ireland. And it is oftentimes in this House there's just a focus on rural transport to meet the needs of those who socialise at night. Now I get that, and that's important, and the Rural Link and Local Link are looking at those services. But there's a far greater number of people who, if the service was available, would use public transport, thereby taking cars off the road that have such an impact on our climate change issues. So, all in all, Minister, I would encourage you to continue with the efforts that you have, and look, as monies become available, to put more resources in the direction of rural areas, and certainly you'll find support on this side of the House in any stage that you do that.